Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking, so let's get started. Now I have a casserole dish in front of me. It's a 9 by 13. I'll take some of these marshmallows. Line them up. I'm standing them up in this pan. Making sure I have an even amount. So 2 more. So I have 35 marshmallows. So I have 5 in a row and 7 across. So now I'll take the rest of this chocolate. I'm just going to pour it on top of the marshmallows. I'll be mixing it all up. So you want to coat all the marshmallows. Oh yeah, that looks good. So now what I'm going to do is stand them up. Make sure that one's coated. So I'm just standing up the marshmallows, making 5 rows. So it's 5 down, 7 across. Getting sticky, but they are good. You want to make sure you stand them all up before the chocolate starts to harden. I keep calling it chocolate, but it's the vanilla almond bark. Alright, that looks good. So now what I'm going to do to this, I'll take some of the pink sugar crystals, sprinkle it all on. Take some of the blue. You can take whatever color you want. Now I have green. I'll take some of the red. And some of the yellow. And you want to sprinkle all your colored sugar on before the vanilla almond bark starts to harden. So now I'll place this in my fridge, and the reason why I made the rows is so that you can kind of cut around them to take them out to eat them. So into the fridge it goes. My marshmallow squares have been in the fridge for 30 minutes. Now I'll take them out. Now doesn't that look nice? And the reason why I lined it up so it makes it easier to cut, because you can see how hard the chocolate is now. The vanilla almond bark. See how nice they came out? So now you can serve individual marshmallows with the vanilla almond bark and the colored sugar crystals on top. Makes a nice treat for the kids and adults. So now I'll try one. I'll cut between it. See how easy that was? So now I'll give it a try. Really, really good. Really curb your sweet tooth. See how quick and easy this was to make too? Simple. I know the kids will enjoy making this because this was a lot of fun. Enjoy. Well, thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Cheryl's Home Cooking. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye.